This is just going to be a short video about my method anyway of reinstalling the top frame onto a Blickensderfer typewriter. If you don't follow the right sequence or have everything in the correct position, it will not function. So basically you have this U-shaped framework here. It has to go to the far side of these gear segments. So make sure these are in their back position. The springs should return these two to that position, but make sure those are all the way back. This little arm here has to be to the right side of this piece here, which is actuated by the cap and the fig keys. So the way that I do it is that I first tip it back and slide it far enough back where this frame is to the far side of these, and then I make sure that this arm here is just to the right side of this so everything lines up properly. And I bring it down fairly low, but keeping this arm here above the comb in the back here, because that has to sit on top of there. So basically I'm going to put it into position where that frame is back. I'm going to slide it rearward until that arm just sits on top of that comb. I'm going to lower it down, and that should be it. It pretty much never fails if you do it in that method. But it will not work unless all those parts are in the correct position. So if it works properly, the keys should go all the way down, it should rotate, and the carriage should advance as it obviously does. So anyway, that's pretty much it. It's very simple. It's pretty flawless if you slide it back far enough where that framework will clear, and then you bring it to a position where that arm is just above the comb, slide it back till it just sits on top of it, lower it down, slide it into position where the screws line up, and you're done. So anyway, I hope that helps people. This is my method. There are other methods that involve the space bar and other things, but I found that this one works for me every time. So anyway, good luck, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.